What can we do with these zip ties? Stay tuned.
You're gonna see some serious shit.
Top 10 best mechanic uses for zip ties. Reason number 1, to move stuff out of your way like coolant hoses. That's out of the way, and this one's out of my way. Now I got clean work area. Reason number 2, to hold gaskets onto components that are hard to hold on to. Place. And of course, doing something like this, you would use the small ones like this, so you can cut them out when you get the thing mounted. But just hold them on like that, then you ain't gonna have any problems with placement. Reason number 3, to move big bulky wire harnesses out of the way. We can zip tie this thing out of the way to gain access. As you can see, I'm working on this air compressor and I need as much room as I can, so we can use a zip tie to move this thing out of the way, just like this. All that room for activities.
Great Scott!
Here's a free mechanic tip that's helped me over, say, 20 some years of doing this stuff. I like stuff to be out of my way when I'm working on it. So what it has to do with the brake caliper, anytime you take the axle out, even taking the rotors out, even doing a brake job, get the thing out of the way, because you don't want the brake hoses to be stretching. That'll suck, because as soon as these things stretch and you go to hit the brakes, it's possible they can blow off on you. So don't screw that up. What we're gonna do is gonna zip tie this thing up onto the strut tower, spring wrap. Get some strong zip ties, because them skinny ones will not work. This thing is a little heavy. There we go. Up out of your way.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no. day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Now I thought about this long and hard about number 10, and hold on, let me think about this for a second. Number 10.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
I think I got just the thing. If your boss ever pisses you off, or even a coworker,
Not until you let these zip ties come off.
we got zip ties to make handcuffs out of. Check it out.
Got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted, and you know I'm leaving.
As always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, share the video if you like, and we're just going to have to see you next time. And if you have any other ideas on zip ties, make sure you put them down in the comments, and I'll make sure I'll reply. So, peace.
With the webs I'm weaving, I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in